Thanks for dropping by during my office hours. Today, let's talk about 10 interesting water facts and statistics. 1. Up to 60% of the human adult body is water. Water is essential for life. Our body uses water to keep a normal temperature, lubricate and cushion joints, protect spinal cord and other sensitive tissues, and get rid of wastes through urination, perspiration, and bowel movements. Insufficient water consumption is a risk factor for certain cancers. Health authorities recommend about 8-ounce glasses of water per day. At birth, water accounts for about 80% of an infant's body weight. Even for a human adult, water accounts for up to 60% of the body weight. Have you found some obvious weight loss after intense exercise? Don't be too excited too fast. This loss is primarily water weight. 2. Less than 1% of the Earth's water supply is suitable for drinking. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. However, 97% of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, being too salty for drinking, growing crops, and most industrial uses except cooling. Among which, 2.5% of the Earth's fresh water is unavailable, locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil, highly polluted, or lies too far under the Earth's surface to be extracted at an affordable cost. Finally, only 0.5% of the Earth's water is available fresh water. If the world's water supply were only 100 liters or 26 gallons, our usable water supply of fresh water would be only about 0.003 liter, approximately 1/2 teaspoon. Unsurprisingly, around 700 million people in 43 countries face water scarcity, with this number projected to rise. 3. Approximately 25,700 liters or 6,800 gallons of water are needed to grow a day's food for a family of 4. The use of agricultural water makes it possible to grow fruits and vegetables and raise livestock, which is a main part of our diet. Agricultural water is used for irrigation, pesticide and fertilizer applications, crop cooling and frost control. Using California as an example, on average, farms use approximately 40% of the state's water, or 80% of all water used by homes and businesses. 4. Less than 1% of treated water is used for drinking and cooking. 39 billion gallons of water are used daily in the United States. However, less than 1% of treated water is used for drinking and cooking. Where are most of the water used in our society? Thermoelectric power and irrigation. 5. The majority of the domestic water usage is in bathrooms. A 5-minute shower uses 10 to 25 gallons, while a full bathtub requires about 70 gallons. Standard toilets is approximately 7 gallons per flush, while the regular low-flow toilet model uses 1.6 gallons per flush. Some models are even more efficient, meaning an automatic reduction in your water bills each month, and over a full year the savings can add up to be tremendous. 6. A very small faucet drip can waste up to 34 gallons or 128 liters of water daily. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, the average household's leaks can account for nearly 10,000 gallons of water wasted every year, and 10% of homes have leaks that waste 90 gallons or more per day. If these data are not shocking enough, then look at the following. In the United States, 6 billion gallons of treated water are lost daily due to leaking pipes. An estimated 240,000 water main breaks occur yearly in the United States, wasting over 2 trillion gallons of drinking water. An aging infrastructure causes a water main break every 2 minutes. 7. 2.2 million miles of pipes deliver drinking water across the United States. 90% of Americans receive drinking water from public water supplies. An investment of $1 trillion is needed in the U.S. to meet water demand over the next 25 years. 8. Human activities are the main cause of groundwater contamination. There are 12,000 different toxic chemical compounds in industrial use. A gallon of gasoline can contaminate 750,000 gallons of water. Aquifers in industrialized areas are at significant risk of contamination. As one of the consequences, freshwater animals are disappearing faster than those on land or sea. 9. Not all the contaminants in our drinking water are regulated. In the United States, the Safe Drinking Water Act regulates only 91 out of 60,000 chemicals used. Advanced water treatment processes, such as the reverse osmosis systems, can remove various contaminants from water. 10. Bottled water can be up to 2,000 times more expensive than tap water. According to the Natural Resources Defense Council in the United States, there is no assurance that bottled water is cleaner than tap water in the country. However, this may not be the case everywhere. In some countries, people are extremely concerned about their drinking water safety. Do you know that the richest man in China, Zhong Shanshan, earned his massive wealth by selling bottled water? Thank you for tuning into this video. If you have any questions or specific civil engineering topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more content, ensuring you don't miss out on future updates.